Growing up in a small town, my community encouraged me to be an artist and tap into whatever it was that I was excited about. I think we're all artists in some way. Everyone has a source within them that ignites a fire. With costume design, you never stop innovating. When you're in a fitting with an actor, it's a magical place. I have the rare opportunity to take all the people that are so unique to this world and bring them into a story. I'm Ruth Carter. I'm a costume designer. My Adidas community curriculum is going to give you the keys for creating costume design that embodies Afrofuture.